bird's nest for your little birdie. For the filling, place a pan on the gas stove. Add 1 teaspoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, let it crack, 1/4 teaspoon of Asafoetida, 1 cup of fresh green peas. Saute it well. Add 1 teaspoon of green chilli paste, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, salt as per taste. Add 1 teaspoon of lime juice. Saute it well. Add fresh coriander. Transfer it in a bowl. Cover of the bird's nest. Take 4 boiled potatoes. Deskin them. Mash it well in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of green chilli paste, 2 teaspoons of lime juice, 1 teaspoon of sugar, salt according to taste, 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs to bind it well. If required, you may add a little more. For the batter, 1 cup of cornflour, 1 tablespoon of rice flour, salt as per taste. Add water gradually to get the correct consistency of the batter. Preparation of the bird's nest. Take the potato mix, place it on the palm and press gently in between to place the filling of green peas. Now prepare a proper round ball. Prepare a few more. Crush vermicilli. Take potato balls, dip it in the cornflour batter and place it in the vermicilli dish and roll it to cover entirely. It must look like a bird's nest. Prepare few more. Place a frying pan on the gas stove. Add half a liter of oil. Upon heating, add the balls. Fry them till they turn golden brown and crunchy. Fry rest of the bird's nest. Cut them into 2 halves. They look exactly like a bird's nest. Green peas look like eggs. The crunchy, crispy bird's nest is ready to relish. Do like, share and subscribe. Adi's Fusion Kitchen.